What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Sauce and Company. Today is Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody. I hope you guys are with your friends, with your family, enjoying quality time, enjoying some good food. Usually in a Mexican household, you don't really eat turkey and mashed potatoes and gravy and all that stuff. You kind of eat like tamales or barbacoa or something else, you know. But today, we're making turkey al pastor style. Al pastor is a way that you make pork tacos. I don't really know how this is gonna turn out on a turkey, but I have my mom here. She's gonna help me make this. Oh man, I really don't know how this is gonna turn out, but it's gonna be really good and it's gonna be a lot of fun. Join us to see how it turns out.
So we're about to eat this beautiful meal that Trevor and Miss Rodriguez helped prepare. She's over there right now eating, enjoying it. I hate to tell you guys, I already took some bites. I cheated before the camera was ready.
So this turkey is real special because it's al pastor turkey, which is kind of what you make tacos out of. But it's got this real crazy flavor, so you already beat me to the punch, so let's take another. I'll take this bite. You already took that one.
It's kind of sweet.
Yep, it's got that pineapple flavor in there. It's not really spicy at all. It's just sweet and it's just beautiful. Like, I never thought that you could put this on a turkey. It's a way to make pork in Mexico, right? And that's why we have that pork stuffing. In my opinion, that's the best turkey I've ever had in my life.
The stuffing has pineapple chunks in it. So it's pineapple and pork.
And bacon.
And bacon. I'm very impressed. I love it. It's the pineapple is what does it for me.
This is what Thanksgiving with 2 single males and 1 mother looks like. This is it. This is it. 2 single males. My mom's is over there. This is what Thanksgiving is supposed to be like. Mom, is it good?
This is my first ever Thanksgiving without my mom. And I'd like to take a second to say, Mom, I love you so much.
We love you.
I'm so grateful for you.
You know what I'm thankful for? I'm thankful for my hands. Because my hands just prepared this, bro. This is the best turkey I've ever had. Like, I'm just so thankful for this turkey right now. Is what I'm thankful for right now.
I didn't do anything to help.
Yeah, that's why he's got this little Viking shirt on.
I was taking pictures, man.
He saw the dub today with the Vikings versus the Detroit Lions. So, but he did help out. Obviously, he's the man with the cinematography. All right, Jay, it's come time to the moment of truth.
5 stars.
Bro,
Hey, yo, let's do a college basketball bench. College basketball.
I need to go back to eat with my mom now. So does John. We need to not let her eat by herself now. So we're gonna get out of here, finish our plate, make this turkey for whatever occasion coming up, and I promise you guys it's gonna be delicious and you guys are gonna love it. See or no?
See.
All right. So that's it. Thank you guys so much once again for tuning in. We're so blessed for the support of the channel. Thank you so much. We love you guys. Make sure to check out all our other videos. We got a lot coming out. We got a lot of ideas. We're doing a lot of cool things. So stay tuned, please. And yeah, that's it, man. What else you got to say?
Go Vikings.
Go Vikings. And I'm hungry, so
Word.
I'll check you guys on the flip.
Let's go eat with your mom.
That's a one-take Timmy.